Hey, beautiful people. This is Victoria here with all as well here in my favorite park, Forsyth Park. So I had an amazing time on my streamathon last night. It was so much fun. I don't know why these filters do this. Like, I have so much blemishes, but all right, we're going to go with it. So it was amazing. I had so much fun. I had like 8 to 9 people on my streamathon, and we had a great time. So the next one is Wednesday, January 8th, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. This time, what I did was I actually signed up for StreamYard monthly membership. And so the streamathon will be not only on Twitch, but also on YouTube as well as Facebook to have a broader reach for the entrepreneurs who are jumping on. So that's one thing. The next thing that I wanted to invite my entrepreneurs to is my masterclass that I'm doing next week, Sunday, December 15th from 1 to 2:30. So it's 90 minutes of jam-packed information about how to create lucrative streams of income by tapping into your intuition and coming up with these beautiful, innovative, amazing ideas that we're going to convert into income to put into your pockets. So, perfect example is my streamathon that I came up with. And my roommate, Joanne Morton, she was the one that was like, why don't you do a marathon from your Monday Night Soulful Conversations? And that's how I came up with the streamathon, as well as the business spotlight shout out that I do on Monday Night Soulful Conversations. So you see how it all ties in? So I'm not reinventing the wheel on anything. I'm just adding lucrative streams of income to something that I'm already doing. And that's what I'm going to teach you with this masterclass, because you are already aligned and abundant and you're very intuitive. And I want to help you tap more powerfully into your intuition to trust yourself with the ideas that are coming up in your spirit. And sometimes we don't trust the ideas that's coming up in our spirit, but trust the ideas. This is something that just came out of nowhere. And I trusted it, and now it's really taken off because now I'm working on the third streamathon for January that's coming up, and I already have people already lined up to want to do it. And also, the business spotlight shoutouts is something that I created, and I actually created 2 other packages to go along with the business spotlight shoutout, right? So I say this all to say that it's going to help you enhance and amplify your business for 2025 right now in real time on December 15th, where I'm going to help you position yourself to be the best version of who you can be with your value, your time, and your energy, with creating these innovative ideas that will put more money in your pocket. Who wants more money? We all want more money in our pockets, right? And sometimes it starts off slow and then it builds, it amplifies. And so it's being patient and understanding with yourself and trusting yourself. And I'm going to give you 150% of who I am. It's going to be on Google Meet, December 15th, which is a Sunday, 90 minutes from 1 to 2:30. So have your laptops out and ready to roll, because we're not going to be doing any talking as far as lollygagging and playing. We are going to be working. I'm going to be helping you create these innovative ideas, because I'm going to tap into your intuition and show you how to tap into your intuition. I'm going to help you implement all of the different lucrative streams of income. So be it a membership, a masterclass, even a streamathon that you want to do yourself, an online store, an online course, an ebook, an actual book, and anything else that you want to play around with, that you've been toying around with your brain, but you don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process within the 90 minutes that we're going to be hanging out together on that Sunday. And I'm going to have bonuses, of course, because I love to give bonuses and perks. So here is the first bonus or perk. 15-minute private schedule session with me after the masterclass for me to give you additional support and implementation of these creative ideas and revenue streams of how to put it together. That's number 1. Number 2 is you get an opportunity to be a guest on my podcast, What's Your Brand Story, to talk about your business for 15 to 20 minutes. And then on top of that too, I will be offering my checklist, 10 ways to continuously improve your revenue streams of income for 2025. So that's 3 perks that I'm offering. And for the first 5 people to sign up, you get an additional free business spotlight shout out on my Monday Night Soulful Conversations, where this all is stemming from. So those are all the perks that I'm going to be offering, as well as the recorded version of the masterclass, right? All of that for $97, but it gets better. Since it's the holiday season, I'm offering 25% off, and so it's going to be $72 $75 for everything that I just mentioned, which is an investment. We have to invest in ourselves when it comes to business owners and entrepreneurs. And again, like I said, the information that I'm offering will be something that's tangible that you will be able to have for the rest of your life, that you can consistently work on and keep on doing all the time. Like I said, for instance, a streamathon is something that my roommate told me about. She said, do you think about, how would you feel about doing a marathon? And a marathon turned into an entrepreneur business streamathon. And the Monday Night Soulful Conversations actually connected to the business spotlight shoutouts. And all of these things I am charging people for, and they're buying it because they see the value in it. And so I'm going to teach you how to connect with people so that you can actually show them the value of the offer of what you're doing. So if this is something that sounds amazing to you and you want to get to it and position yourself in 2025 right now in real time, there's nothing like real time, like now, this moment in time. We sit on opportunities and we wait and we wait and we wait, where we could be doing stuff right now in real time. And I'm going to help you get there to where you are able to position yourself with your revenue streams of income and creative ideas, and make them a tangible thing that people will be talking about forever and a day. Because I already have people that's ready to sign up for the January 8th Streamathon. And so this is a great way to create a whole bunch of different things that you want to do within your business. Because I have my bracelets, I'm a wedding officiant, I have my affirmation decks that I'm selling, I have the streamathon, I have the masterclass, I also have the monthly membership that I'm working on. All of these things tie in together because it's my value, my energy, my expertise, my wisdom, my experience, all of it falls into play. And so these are the things that I want to help you and teach you with on the masterclass. So bring your laptops, we're going to do some work. There's no time for lollygagging and chit chat. We're going to get down to business for the 90 minutes that we're going to be spending together. So the link is in my bio. Go right ahead and check it out. And let's get to it. Ready to work with you.